This is the hotel. We are at the Conrad in Shanghai. That's the view. We took the train from Hangzhou to Shanghai, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. We went out and about, but I didn't really film. But here's my drink. It's a little bubbly grapefruit. But we also went to Pop Mart, so time for an unboxing. Unboxing because I don't want to bring the box home. It's the one I want. So cute, so cute. Okay, this is number 2. Oh, no way! The one. This is the one. I literally got the 2 that I wanted. Everybody. That's cute. Okay, now I don't need to spend any more money because I got the 2 that I wanted. Okay, bye. We're eating across the street. I literally forgot to bring my camera, like the magnetic thing, so I can't stick it to the pole. So here I am eating a changbing. Changbing. Pretty good. Very hot. Hello friends! Back in our hotel room from our little night excursion. We got some bagels. It was super cute inside and the packaging's really cute, but I don't know how it's gonna taste. We of course have our little chagee. I got a lemon tea. What the hell? How'd you open it? Oh! I stabbed it. Yummy. Let's open the bagels. Isn't this the... Wait, isn't this the seagull from... What movie? Finding Nemo? Or something?
Oh, something like that.
I don't know. One of the Pixar. It looks like the... Mine.
Yeah.
Bagel is here. I think I just got a garlic one, but let me take a lactate. Okay, here I go. Tastes like a bagel.
Oh, I gotta take that.
Why does it taste like cream cheese? There's no cream cheese in here. Kind of confused. Pretty good.
Oh.
Also got some pastry. I just call them butterflies. There's chocolate one and a matcha one. Chocolate and matcha. Matcha.
Okay, this.
The matcha flavor is super subtle. While I'm at it, let's do a little haul. We went to a store called Two Summer. Why don't you? Yeah. There's an Osmanthus perfume, and this one's called Rambler Rose, but it's super citrusy. But the Osmanthus one is super light and refreshing. I went to Pop Mart again and got some limited special edition Skull Panda magnets. I also picked up another Teddy Lulu because I love Teddy Lulu. Want the special. I already have the green, then the brown from Taylor, and then I have that one from yesterday. Okay, let's go. Please. It's green. Well, that's awkward. Anyways, there you go. Okay, bye, friends. Breakfast time. Breakfast.
I gotta take my time.
Like how people do the walking video. The sun is really bright. Now I look like a real ghost. So we go this way. It's too bright. Too bright. See, the tower's right here. The tower is here. Carrot. Hello, Mr. Carrot. Some kid ran by and just dropped his ice cream cup on the floor because he was finished with it. That was crazy. We just went to the bun and now we're gonna take the subway over to the fake market. It's really freaking cold. Anyways, my throat is killing me. Every time I'm here, or actually every time I travel, I get sick. What can you do? I have a weak immune system. All right, goodbye everyone. See you whenever I record again. Got some heytea. Go behind them. They're taking a picture. Oh, I forgot about that. Oh, I dripped the goodness out. Raw crab. Raw crab. I said that. Picked up our delivery from the boxes downstairs. Took us a while to figure out how to open the thing down there. We got it. There you have it. Hello. Breakfast / the last meal.